Welcome to VIVE Talk. Today, enjoy the beat and burn your calories right at home with VIVE. Living in the post-pandemic era, work from home has become part of our everyday life. Now, here comes a more palatable way of working out at home. Synth Riders is a VR rhythm game which can fulfill your needs. With its distinct aesthetics eyeing its countercultural qualities, Synth Riders emanates a style of 80s retro discotheque. The game is set in a neon-colored cyberpunk dystopia, filled with synth-pop and disco-derived techno, house, and trance tracks. The experience can only be described as riding a light cycle in Tron Legacy while listening to Daft Punk. Players will also notice vaporwave aesthetics interwoven into the retro fabric of the game. Simply put, Synth Riders is the pinnacle of combining music and science fiction. Are you ready to unleash your dancing soul? Let's put on VIVE headset and dance to the music in Synth Riders.